Quick video today. This one has to do with clutch. Drove it around for about 20-30 minutes, and while I was stopped throwing it into first gear, I ground it a couple times, which is strange. The engage point is like right at the floor, which didn't used to be. So let's take a look at our clutch master. Whoa, that's bad news. Is there anything in there? Looks like there's a little bit. Obviously it's working, but that's not good. So we're gonna have to put some more clutch fluid in there. The clutch is behaving a little bit better. It doesn't slip. Engages pretty well. It's a fast clutch. So it makes me think that any of the issues that I'm having are just the slave, and the master, it's probably leaking, or the rubber's getting old. It doesn't look like it's been changed in quite a long time. So let's take a look underneath at the slave. Whoa, that's not even installed right. Holy cow. I'm surprised I didn't notice this. I guess maybe if you're not looking for it, you don't see it. So the spring is supposed to be on the other side. This thing looks all corroded. I guess it's working, but I think I'm going to order a new clutch sleeve and master kit and install that. Alright, well, so that's another project to work on.